Tigas. Es seguramente el saxofonista con más proyección en este país y es uno de los vuestros. Os pido un fuerte aplauso para el gran Dani Pérez. Y ya que estamos entre amigos, vamos a llamar a otro. Por favor, Marc Ferrer. Un aplauso. Bueno, ahora entre los 5 vamos a hacer todo lo que sabemos. Ya veréis.
Vale. Eso cuando me lo operé. 1, 2...
No, por favor. Right along the night of my bed, my baby beside me out the wheel. I stole a cancer tan of mine, my curiosity ran a wine, cruising and playing the radio, with no particular place to go. Right along the night of my bed, I was just to tell her where I feel. Softly and sincere, as a lady whispered in my ear, covered more than driving slow, with no particular place to go. To go for a party with the Kokomo. The night was young and the moon was gone, so I bought decided to take a stroll, considering much of the way I felt. I couldn't find the same fever right along my color woods, so trying to get him back to lose. All the way home I held a grudge, but I saved it better than bad, cruising and playing the radio, with no particular place to go.